All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Going to be doing a review video today on a new meme coin called BEFE. It just came out. Before I begin, just a few of the disclaimers. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Invest at your own risk. And I'd like to thank William Alexander Beats for sponsoring this video and my channel. If you're looking for some awesome beats by a very talented musician and writer, just check out William Alexander Beats. I'll leave a link in the description. Recently had a top beat on BeatStars app, so check them out when you get a chance. Much appreciated. All right, let's talk about BEFE. Okay, I'm on their website, like I said. Funniest and most meme-worthy crypto ever. The doggy and frog coins had their moment, but now it's BEFE's turn to shine and become the ultimate meme king. And they have a link here where you can buy it on PancakeSwap. About BEFE, everyone keeps passing around endless derivative coins with names like Pepe, Doggy, Shib Floki, Doge Inu, but BEFE is over it. The Inu and frog coins have had their moment in the sun. It's time for the world's most recognizable meme to take over as the ultimate meme king. BEFE is here to bring back the glory days of meme coins. It was launched with no pre-sale and has zero taxes. You can earn BEFE by staking Bryce, making it a coin for the people with its powerful memes. BEFE will guide you to greatness. Know more about Bryce on bitgert.com. All right, links and token address. Here's the token address here. Dex tools. We'll get to that in a minute. And I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you guys to hang around to the end, and I'll tell you why I think BEFE raises some red flags with me. And also, if you could hit that thumbs up video, that way you get notified. The algorithm gets notified, and you will get more of my videos. And if you like this kind of content, hit that notification bell. And please subscribe to the channel. Just starting out, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I appreciate everyone that subscribes. All right, let's move on. So it looks like they're going to have an ETH, also an ETH ERC20 token. It's how to buy, create a wallet, get some BNB, go to PancakeSwap, switch BNB to BEFE. I'm not sure what this is. It's not really loading. So tokenomics, only 100 million supply. 100% fair launch. And they say liquidity pool. Come join our community, Telegram, and Twitter. All right, so we don't really know what the use case is going to be for BEFE, but most of them don't have a use case anyway. I've heard this in other meme coins where let's get over it. Everyone keeps passing around other meme coins, etc., etc. So that's nothing new and nothing original there. Let's move on to their Twitter account, see if there's anything on Twitter. Said they're going to be listed on MEXC, which is where a lot of the meme coins are listed. Unstoppable, 100 million market cap. Team is planning big. They knows what they are doing. So I really don't know. There's no roadmap. There's no white paper. We really don't know what they're doing. If anybody knows what they're doing, please leave a comment into the description of the video. What do you guys think of BEFE coin? Do you own any? Have you looked into it? Have you heard of it? Let me know in the comment section. All right, this is Satoshi Journal official, prepared for an exciting week in BEFE, accumulating organically. Listing in MEXC. Launch new identity on the 7th day in Dubai. So it says our proud father of Bryce. I don't really know what Bryce is. If anybody knows, let me know in the description of the video. Hopefully we can find that out today. Not sure what Bryce is. It says here, Bryce broke resistance in the 15-minute candle. So it looks like if you stake your BEFE somehow, we don't really know how, maybe on BitGert. So BitGert Bryce introduced groundbreaking alternative to PancakeSwap with his native token Bryce. So it sounds like it's some kind of DEX. Let's click on here and see. BitGert is a rapidly expanding crypto project that boasts a gas fee-free blockchain, central exchange, and a lot more. I'm going to give them a follow because I'd like to look into it. Maybe I can do a review on that as well. Only a couple days for its highly anticipated launch, so maybe they're not even launched yet. I'm not going to get too much into BitGert because the video is about BEFE. So maybe I'll look into this. If you want me to do a review on BitGert, please let me know in the comment section. All right, let's head over to their Telegram account, see what's going on here. Let's see some people talking about BEFE. Looks like, again, listing on MEXC. And this is only the beginning. Not really much here that's new that we can really talk about. So it says this person's asking about if there's going to be any more central exchange listings. So anyway, that's it for their Telegram. Like I said, really not much to talk about with BEFE here. Let's go over to DEX Tools. And I want to show you guys what I've been talking about, what kind of scares me about BEFE. So the positive points is that it looks like they have liquidity lock here. 68.22% is locked in liquidity for 11 months. So they have about 32% that is not locked. 4,000 holders, that's a lot. Good amount of holders. Market cap is 30 million right now. Volume 67,000. Supply 100 billion. So I might have said 100 million earlier. So the supply is 100 billion. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. See what else is going on here. So if you come down here and you click on holders, you can see that it's spread out spread out a lot between holders, which is nice to see. But there's really no way to verify if all these addresses belong to one person. We just don't know, Hope it isn't, but. Okay, so if we scroll down here on DEX Tools, let's get into why I think this is kind of suspicious. Click on Check Audits. And you can see here, honeypot, no, good. Buy tax, sell tax. There's nothing. Mintable, no. That means they can't mint more tokens. Tax modifiable, no. Transfer plausible, no. So blacklisted, that's the first red flag. So what does that mean? That means they can blacklist your wallet address, so you cannot buy or sell. So that's not good. And if we go down here, what you can see is they have an anti-whale. Okay, so what does anti-whale mean? And it's modifiable. That's also a huge red flag. So what can they do with a modifiable anti-whale? So what an anti-whale is that when you want to prevent somebody from owning a certain amount of your token, you have an anti-whale, and it can be a good thing if it's used correctly, but it can be used if it's used incorrectly, it can be a bad thing. If somebody sets the anti-whale to, if you have so if they set it to 1% of max supply, you cannot buy or sell more than 1% of the max supply of a token. So if you have 1 million token max supply, 10% is 100,000, so 1% would be 10,000. Now, if you set that to 99% or 100%, that means nobody can sell anything, right? You can't sell and you can't buy. You're stuck. So how is that? That's bad, right? Because if you want to sell your tokens, you're kind of stuck. You can't sell it. They won't let you. The contract won't let you. Now, what can happen is you can get the owner of the um, contract to say to um, make their wallet address an exception to that rule. So then, so the anti will, if it's put in place at 99 or 100%, let's say 100% of max supply, that means no one can sell or buy tokens except for addresses that have been, have an exception. You could put that in the contract as well. So that's not good. That's suspicious, and you should be concerned about that. It appears that they have renounced the contract. It should be here somewhere. There's retrieve ownership. No. So it looks like they renounced the contract as well. But they could have put all this in there before they renounced it. You don't know. So it's kind of suspicious. So just be aware of that guy. Another thing that you should be aware of is that they don't have a contract audit done. So, but it does say that the contract is verified, so that's a good sign. So I think that's going to be it for BEFE tokens. Really not much to talk about besides those things that I mentioned. Just be aware, guys, it's a Ponzi scheme until it isn't. So if you make money, if it was my money and I was trading this, get in and get out because you really can't risk it. And I wouldn't really, in my opinion, invest in this at all. I think those are too many red flags, and they haven't let you know of any use case. What's the use case? I mean, still doesn't mean you can't make money. I mean, I've made money on scams before. You get in, you get out, you make your money, and the person that's left holding the bag is the last person in the Ponzi, right? It's a huge risk. Don't, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but don't risk anything more than you can lose. And, let me know what you think, guys, of this video, and let me know what you think of BEFE token. If you have anything to add, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Much appreciated. CryptoVin here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.